How many times have you stepped on the scale hoping for a different number only to be met with disappointment? You're not alone. We've all been conditioned to believe that weight loss is a simple equation: eat less, move more. But what if I told you that diet and exercise are only a fraction of the equation, maybe 10%? That's right. The real magic, the 500% secret to sustainable weight loss, lies in understanding the bigger picture, the mental, emotional, and lifestyle factors that truly dictate your success. It's about building a foundation for lasting change, not just quick fixes. Today we're diving deep into the truth about weight loss. I'm going to break down the often overlooked components that are holding you back, and give you actionable steps to finally break free from the cycle of frustration and achieve real, lasting results. Get ready to transform your body and your life. Look, we've all been fed the same tired lines about calories in versus calories out. It's a simplistic view that doesn't capture the full picture of what it takes to achieve lasting health and fitness. But the truth is, it's far more complex than that. It's not just about the numbers, it's about the quality of those calories and how they interact with your body and mind. It's about understanding the interplay between your mindset, your habits, your environment, and yes, your nutrition and fitness choices. Each of these elements plays a crucial role in your overall well-being. Let's start with your mindset. This is the foundation upon which everything else is built. This is the cornerstone of everything. Your mindset shapes your reality and influences your actions. If you don't believe you can achieve your goals, you won't. It's as simple as that. Your thoughts and beliefs set the stage for your success or failure. It's about cultivating self-belief, shifting negative self-talk, and embracing the journey, even with its inevitable bumps in the road. Next, we have habits. These are the routines and behaviors that you perform almost automatically. Habits are the invisible forces that shape our daily lives. They can either propel us towards our goals or hold us back. Think about it. Mindlessly snacking in front of the TV, reaching for unhealthy snacks without even realizing it, reaching for sugary drinks when you're stressed, using food as a coping mechanism, skipping meals, and then overeating later. These are all habits that can derail your progress if left unchecked. These are all habits, and they can make or break your progress. The good news is, habits can be changed with consistent effort and awareness. Your environment plays a crucial role as well. The spaces you inhabit and the people you surround yourself with can either support or hinder your goals. Are you surrounded by tempting foods? Is your kitchen stocked with snacks that are hard to resist? Do you live a sedentary lifestyle? Are you spending most of your time sitting or lying down? Is stress a constant companion? Chronic stress can lead to emotional eating and other unhealthy behaviors. These factors can sabotage your best efforts without you even realizing it. Being mindful of your environment and making small changes can have a big impact. Now let's talk about nutrition. This is where many people struggle because of the conflicting information out there. Notice how I didn't say diet? That's because diets are temporary. They often involve restrictive eating patterns that are hard to maintain. That's because diets are temporary. They might work in the short term, but they are not sustainable in the long run. They're restrictive and often lead to feelings of deprivation, which ultimately backfire. Instead, focus on a balanced and varied diet that you can stick to for life. True, lasting change comes from adopting a sustainable way of eating, one that nourishes your body, fuels your workouts, and satisfies your taste buds. It's about making smart choices consistently. And finally, we have fitness. Physical activity is essential for maintaining a healthy body and mind. Exercise shouldn't be a chore or a punishment. It should be something you look forward to, something that brings you joy. It should be a celebration of what your body can do. Find activities that you love, whether it's dancing, hiking, or playing a sport. Find activities you enjoy, make them a part of your routine, and watch your body transform. Consistency is key, and the more you enjoy your workouts, the more likely you are to stick with them. Remember, these components are all interconnected. Your mindset, habits, environment, nutrition, and fitness all work together to create a healthier you. They work synergistically to create lasting change. When you focus on all these areas, you set yourself up for success. Neglect one, and the whole system suffers. So, take a holistic approach and watch as you unveil the 500% secret to a healthier, happier life. Now that you understand the key components of sustainable weight loss, let's break them down into actionable steps that you can implement starting today. These steps are designed to be practical and easy to follow, ensuring that you can seamlessly integrate them into your daily routine. Step 1. Set measurable goals. Don't just say, I want to lose weight, be specific. How much weight do you want to lose? By when? Setting clear, measurable goals gives you a target to aim for and helps you stay motivated. What are your non-scale victories? These could be things like fitting into an old pair of jeans, running a certain distance, or simply feeling more energetic. Write down your goals and track your progress. Keeping a journal or using an app can help you see how far you've come and keep you accountable. Step 2. Meal prep like a pro. Failing to prepare is preparing to fail. By planning and preparing your meals in advance, you take control of your nutrition. Take control of your nutrition by prepping your meals and snacks in advance. This will help you avoid impulsive decisions that can derail your progress. This will prevent impulsive decisions and keep you on track. Plus, having healthy meals ready to go makes it easier to stick to your plan. Step 3. Build habits, not just willpower. Willpower is a finite resource. Instead of relying on it alone, focus on building healthy habits that become automatic over time. Start small, be consistent, and celebrate your wins. Small, consistent actions lead to big results over time. Start small, be consistent, and celebrate your wins. Recognize and reward yourself for the progress you make, no matter how small. Step 4. Focus on nutrition, not deprivation. Ditch the restrictive diets and embrace a balanced approach to eating. It's not about cutting out foods you love, but about finding a healthy balance. Focus on whole, unprocessed foods, prioritize protein and fiber, and make sure you're getting a variety of nutrients. And don't be afraid to enjoy treats in moderation. It's important to enjoy your food and not feel deprived. Step 5. Move more, sit less. Find ways to incorporate more movement into your day, even if it's just taking the stairs instead of the elevator or going for a walk during your lunch break. Even if it's just taking the stairs instead of the elevator or going for a walk during your lunch break. Every bit of movement adds up, and make a conscious effort to reduce your sedentary time. Step 6. Prioritize sleep. Sleep deprivation wreaks havoc on your hormones, increases cravings, and zaps your energy levels. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep each night. Quality sleep is crucial for recovery and overall well-being. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep each night. Prioritizing sleep will help you feel more energized and ready to tackle your goals. Chapter 3. Overcoming obstacles, conquering cravings, and building unshakable willpower. Let's be real. The road to weight loss isn't always smooth. It's filled with unexpected twists and turns, much like a scenic road that seems to go on forever. There will be challenges, setbacks, and moments when you want to throw in the towel. You might feel frustrated, exhausted, and even question your commitment. But it's how you handle these obstacles that will determine your ultimate success. Each challenge is an opportunity to grow stronger and more resilient. One of the biggest challenges people face is cravings. These cravings can strike at any time, often when you least expect them. Those intense desires for sugary, fatty, or salty foods can derail your best intentions. It's like a sudden storm that disrupts your journey. But cravings are not your enemy. They are signals from your body, indicating that something is missing or out of balance. They're just your body's way of communicating its needs. Sometimes it's a need for nutrients, other times it's a need for comfort or distraction. The key is to learn how to manage cravings effectively. First, identify your triggers. Understanding what sets off your cravings is the first step to controlling them. Is it stress, boredom, hormonal fluctuations? Each trigger requires a different strategy to manage. Once you know what triggers your cravings, you can develop strategies to cope with them in a healthy way. Meditation, exercise, and social support can be powerful tools. Instead of giving in to every craving, try practicing the delay and distract technique. This involves delaying the gratification and distracting yourself with another activity. Tell yourself you can have it later, and then distract yourself with a healthier activity. Often, the craving will pass on its own, leaving you feeling empowered. You'll find that the more you practice this technique, the easier it becomes to manage your cravings. Another important aspect of overcoming obstacles is building unshakable willpower. Willpower is like a muscle. The more you use it, the stronger it gets. Willpower is like a muscle. The more you use it, the stronger it gets. Consistency is key. Regular practice, whether it's jogging, yoga, or any other activity, helps build this mental muscle. So how do you strengthen your willpower? Start by setting yourself up for success. Plan your day, organize your environment, and prepare for potential challenges. Start by setting yourself up for success. Remove temptations from your environment, make healthy choices readily available, and plan ahead. Remove temptations from your environment, make healthy choices readily available, and plan ahead. This proactive approach can make a significant difference. Make healthy choices readily available. Stock up on nutritious foods, stay hydrated, and keep your body fueled with the right nutrients, and surround yourself with a supportive network. Friends, family, and like-minded individuals can provide encouragement and accountability. And don't be afraid to ask for help when you need it. Remember, setbacks are inevitable. Everyone faces them, but it's how you respond that matters. Don't let them derail your progress. Instead, view them as learning opportunities. Each setback is a chance to reassess and adjust your approach. View them as learning opportunities, adjust your approach as needed, and get right back on track. Reflect on what went wrong and how you can improve. Adjust your approach as needed, and get right back on track. Small adjustments can lead to significant improvements over time, and get right back on track. Remember, the journey to conquering cravings and building unshakable willpower is a marathon, not a sprint. Stay committed, stay focused, and you will achieve your goals. Chapter 4. Call to Action. Join the movement, share your journey. Now that you're armed with the knowledge and tools to achieve your weight loss goals, it's time to take action. Remember, knowledge without action is meaningless. Start by implementing the steps we discussed today. Set those measurable goals, revamp your kitchen for meal prep success, and commit to building those healthy habits. And don't forget to prioritize your sleep and find ways to move your body that you genuinely enjoy. But this journey isn't meant to be taken alone. Connect with others who are on a similar path. Share your goals, your struggles, and your triumphs in the comments below. Let's create a supportive community where we can lift each other up and celebrate our collective success. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more tips, tricks, and tough love on your journey to a healthier, happier you. Plus, I'm giving away my free meal prep guide in the description below. It's packed with delicious, easy-to-make recipes that will keep you on track. Outro, you've got this. Listen, I'm not going to sugarcoat it. This is going to take work. There will be days when you want to quit, when you feel like giving in to those cravings, when you question your ability to succeed. But I'm here to tell you, you are stronger than you think. You have the power to transform your body and your life. It starts with believing in yourself, committing to the process, and taking action every single day. No more excuses, no more self-sabotage. It's time to step up and claim the healthy, vibrant life you deserve. Now go out there and crush your goals.